Hey guys, this is Connor with Utah Airguns. Today we're going to go over how to replace the regulator, the front reg on a Impact M3. So first thing you'll want to do is you're going to need a 2.5 millimeter driver. You're going to remove these 4 screws on the bottom here of your trigger guard, or if you have the extended trigger guard, that one. Then you're going to need to remove the bottle off the gun and degas the gun. This one degassed when we took the bottle off, but you can either dry fire or spin the regulator out to allow the pressure to release. And then you're going to need a 23 millimeter socket to remove the regulator. On a new gun, these are very tight. Like, you might need to clamp into a vise with soft jaws. This one is not super tight, so we'll be able to spin it off here. You're just going to spin it off. You'd want to make note of what your front regulator is set to before you remove all of this. That'll spin off. And then you'll take your new regulator. We'll send these out to you if your front rig blows, or if you need, need a replacement, just go ahead and contact us here at the service department. We'll get you taken care of. The new one will spin in. Snug it down. Doesn't need to be super tight, but tight enough that it's not going to spin out when you put your bottle, take your bottle on it. And then you would reset your regulator from how it was set from the factory or how you have it tuned. Spin on your bottle to gas the gun back up. And then reinstall your trigger guard. 2.5 millimeter. That's it.